Stop recording video button. Speech off.
Yeah, you're a good boy. Everyone loves Usher, don't they? Eh? Are you a good boy? Are you wagging your tail? You can't wag your tail yet because you're sat on your bum. We're on Leicester Square. Usher dog. Oh yeah, get in there, mate. Thank you. Oh, you're a good boy, Ush.
This station is Leicester Square. Change here for Piccadilly line.
Lots of admirers, Usher.
How are you? Oh, Anna, look at that.
Oh, look at
It's a
you.
lucky day for me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely part of his portfolio of
Really?
communication. Yeah. When I ask him, like, when I need to know where he is,
Yeah.
I'll just say, "Where's Usher?" And he'll just like come and lick me, and then stand, you know. But just really quick sort of like that.
I've got a black lab and she's useless.
Oh really?
Yeah, no, she's completely useless.
Usher, no point in lying down. You know what you're about to do. We're going in a minute, mate. Yeah, we are. We're going in a minute, aren't we? Yeah, aren't we? You're a good boy.
The next station is Charing Cross.
Come on then, me
Change
old
here
mucker.
for
Shall we go?
Bakerloo line
Come on.
and National Rail
See ya.
services.
And you.
Upon arrival, the last set of doors will not open. Customers in the last
Usher, good
carriage,
boy.
please move towards
That's
the
it,
front
well done,
doors to
Usher.
leave the train.
Let's go. Okay, ready? Let's go! Cheers, way. Good boy, find the way. So, we kind of not sure why you do. Oh, yeah, maybe. Okay, go on, Usher. Fine. So again, we're just going up the steps. What you saw there, well, not saw, heard, hopefully more, because you have to be careful when you're videoing of what you capture people. But he clearly is very popular, and I wanted to capture that. That was happening obviously before I was videoing, so you know the context was already there. Public were quite excited about Usher. You saw me get offered a seat in the previous video at the end. Oh, it's okay. Someone just accidentally hit their bag on Usher's harness, which happens, you know. Doesn't mean anything's bad, and people mean ill will. So now we're gonna avoid people. Good boy, Usher. So we're at Charing now, by the way. So see, there you go. And so now gonna come round to the left. Oh no, to the right. Find the way, Ush. My fault. Good boy. Okay, cheers. Oh no. See, yeah, that guy pushed in, but it's, you know, the wait, Usher. On you come. Doesn't really matter, does it? Stand, Usher. So again, people are just waiting at the back here. We will get people to push forward a little bit. Let's check this is recording.
Speech on. Stop recording video button. Speech off.
So again, we're on the escalator and leaving Usher enough room to run off together when the escalator flattens. So here we go. Come on, Ush. Off you go. Good boy. Yeah. Now he's going to make his way to the gate, and he knows this route so well. But find the gate, Usher. Usher, find the gate. So we found the gate. This is the wide gate, so we can get through. Wait, Ush. So there the gate opens. Forward, Usher. And pick up his harness. That's it. Off we go. So now we're at the surface at the top of Charing Cross Underground. So we're going to go to the mainline station now to get a train out to Orpington. Find the way, Usher. So Usher is using his left shoulder work well here, finding his way. Oh, he's decided he wants to go on this escalator. He likes escalators. Wait, Usher. On you come. That's it. And wait. Good boy. I mean, admittedly, we haven't been too busy here, certainly on the escalators, but even so, we have. This is very, very typical of what travelling London is like. Wait Usher, and then we're going to escalate flat and Usher run off. Come on, that's it. Good. What we're going to do rather than Usher. Ah, that could be ours. Yeah.
Southeastern service to Ramsgate via
Wait, Usher. Wait. Usher, wait. No, it's not us. So someone is giving Usher attention. He's pulling on the lead for some reason. What's up, Ush? Let's go and see what the next train is. Oi! Ah, a guide dog. Hello. Come back. Hello. Yeah, there we got a guide dog. Sorry. That's it. Usher, leave the doggy. Right, come back. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I would have thought so, yeah. You've got a guide dog too, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's his name?
DB.
DB?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Usher.
Usher.
Yeah.
Who are you? Do I know you?
Paul
Paul
Hopkins. Who are you?
Seen your name. Damon Wright.
Damon, I know you.
Ouch.
Oh yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Just going home from work.
Oh, we're going to get tangled, mate. There you go. Usher, sit.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Orpington.
Oh, is that where you live?
Yeah, well, with Claire. I'm in Birmingham during the week working, and then I come and see
that,
my
Claire?
Claire Randall.
Rand.
Yeah. If you're on the Guide Dogs free run group, I don't think you are you?
No. Well,
That's our group.
literally, I've only just moved to this part of the world.
Have you?
To where do we live? Sort of New Elton.
You started in Worcester, didn't you?
No. Oh
No,
was
Worcester
that
College
the
years ago. Well,
Yeah,
no, I
years
remember you
ago.
from then, like years and years ago.
Did you go there?
No, I went to Licky
didn't?
Grange School, but no, I can't remember what. You used to, because you've always done audio stuff, haven't you? So I used to hear you on something. I'm trying to remember what on earth it would have been back then. Some thing, I don't know. But then I've heard you on Ouch loads, so
Oh, okay. Oh.
I feel like I'm talking to someone semi-famous.
No, not really.
You do a good job though.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and I'm in touch as well. So.
Yeah, occasionally. It's moving up to Manchester though, so...
Are you? Oh, it
no,
is.
It is.
Is
so,
it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be probably a whole different bunch of people.
Yeah. Yeah, I fancy that. Are you, where are you waiting to go to then?
So, yeah, the New Elton.
Oh, are you?
53.
Oh, okay.
Do you know Nathan Richmond?
No.
Alan Tweddle?
Huh?
Alan Tweddle?
No.
Both guide dog owners in Orpington.
Oh, right.
Ex-Worcester people.
Okay, yeah. There's a few in Orpington, actually, to be fair. Obviously, Claire and I. And then there's Paulette, sorry. Someone called Paulette. And then, but yeah, several. In fact, Kent, I think, as a whole, does quite well with guide dog populace. So I've been doing this a little bit of videoing because I've seen another article that's come up today about the guy that's saying that everyone's vile to him in public in London.
Is that it?
Yeah, so
Gotcha.
I'm proving otherwise.
Yeah, I'm thinking of getting a camera because
Well,
of this as well.
Yeah, well, I'm actually videoing right now as it
Oh,
happens.
no.
I know, I'll take you off, don't worry if you want. But I thought I better tell you.
And that's why I think the BBC should be shut down.
No, but I'll turn it off. But it's true though. I just can't, let me just do this to
What are
me.
you using?
Just my phone.